What's up, YouTube? My name's Cody, and welcome to episode 1 from your local sender.
Yeah, buddy.
What's up, YouTube? Episode 1. Finally, here we go. We're going to be working on this RZR 900S. We got a few things wrong with it. She's actually a pretty hurting unit right now. We got brake pads going in. We got this Super ATV bushing kit going in. We got this Super ATV steering rack going in. Super hyped about that. We're going to start tearing this thing apart, see what we can't get done. And then by the end of this episode, we're taking it for a rip. We're going to go drifting. So hit that subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss this.
You never have to work on them.
No.
Little to no maintenance. And here we are. Bushings, rack. You'd be good for another month and a half.
Yeah.
See, the worst thing is you go to work on something else and then you see something else broken. And I gotta try to get that rack out of there. Your bottom here is... There's no movement on this one.
Oh, really? Well, then we should leave it. If it's, and I'll just grease them.
I was gonna say, is it that or because it's super bent?
That's
not bent. That's for clearance.
It came stock like that when Cody got it. Everyone's spending all the money on the big lifted A-arms. All you gotta do is just send her in a few rocks
just a
and
couple stumps or something, and
you save a few $100s per side.
And bushings are out to lunch.
You can get a couple more miles over that.
That there means you need to buy yourself some nice Super ATV bushings.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. What a piece of friggin' turd right there.
This other one's crazy compared to that.
Oh man, this one is
Look at this.
This is like beef stew compared to that thing.
Compared to porridge.
Yeah, that's right. How you like them cream sodas?
I love them.
They're so good.
So
What are they? President's Choice?
Yeah.
PC?
not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor.
You gotta say not a sponsor.
PC cream sodas.
PC
Flavored
soda.
water.
It's not focusing.
Better than beer. Don't quote me on that. I just don't want to catch that too.
Ready?
Yep. There it goes. See there? Tubeless.
What'd you put in it?
Okay, I'll put it 2 minutes.
Wait for it.
She's packed.
She is gonna be a day. We're going where?
We're going to the nosebleed.
The nosebleed section.
Get her parked in here, bye. Get her right in there.
Nice.
I got an infused wiper blade on this trailer.
Where'd you get that at?
Extra horsepower.
Should be a good day.
It's gonna be excellent.
The outside of the window. It's nice. It's nice. Super hyped. Super pumped. That guy's super pumped. We're all super pumped. We got air in the tires. We got food in our bellies.
I am quite full.
We're good to go. So I'm gonna clean that windshield. You grab your stuff, and we're gonna get the heck out of here. What a freaking day, yeah? What a day.
Hey, let's struggle to get into this.
Yeah, let's watch Dylan struggle. Oh, yeah.
Sitting with this, running walls and scatterings. The clutter in my brain, the anxious doorbell rings. Take two and then take four.
Where are you going?
Is the day just like you, or is this a test? Is the day just like we Sitting with this, rotting walls and scattered things. The clutter in my brain, the anxious doorbell rings.
Too sketchy. It's just too sketchy, man. So, but how does it feel though? The buggy.
Man,
Dude, mine's unreal. How's the steering?
really, really responsive.
Okay. We made it, guys. We're back. Back where it's warm. Back where there's no ice. It was a gnarly day. That ice was pretty unpredictable, but we got through it. The hill at the end, the camera doesn't really show how steep it was, but it was steep and it was slippery, and I'm not gonna lie, it was sketchy as hell. She was gnarly. That hill is actually hard to conquer. In the summertime, actually, it's pretty technical, but the wintertime there, when it was pure ice, that was almost impossible. The rig held up good. I did get a little gouge in the rim here. Nothing too serious. I did actually peel my mirror off as well. But again, nothing serious, easy fix. Winch came apart. Once again, easy fix. I'll sort that out. If you like what you saw, drop a comment below. If you didn't like what you saw, drop a comment below. Let us know what it is. Maybe give us a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Definitely helps us, it motivates us, and I think that's really the key here, is just to motivate us to keep giving you guys content. If there's any questions or anything about the rigs, let us know, drop a comment. If you made it this far in the video, really appreciate you, and thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time. Out.